Drive, whatever the street is. North Avenue.
Between Coles right before the light, just blocking westbound traffic.
So no one's able to come through.
See that? Did you see that? He's kind of hot.